It's Monday morning, your alarm is blaring, you've got a day full of meetings, deadlines, and chores ahead. Welcome to the world of the daily grind where the only constant seems to be an unending to-do list. Picture your average day. You're juggling work responsibilities that seem to multiply faster than weeds after a spring rain, traffic that moves slower than a snail on a treadmill, and family obligations that make a circus juggler look like an amateur. And let's not forget the unexpected curveballs life loves to throw our way, just to keep things interesting. Now, don't you wish there was a mute button for all these stressors? Or at least a volume control knob? Well, what if I told you there actually is? And no, it's not a magic wand or a secret potion. It's something even better. But what if there was a way to turn down the volume on this stress? Enter mindfulness and meditation. So what exactly is mindfulness? No, it's not about being mindful of where you left your keys, although that could be helpful too. Mindfulness is a kind of mental workout, if you will. It's about training your mind to stay focused on the present moment. Not yesterday's missteps, not tomorrow's to-do list, but the here and now. It's about being fully engaged in whatever you're doing, whether it's savoring a cup of coffee or simply observing your breath. Imagine you're eating an apple. With mindfulness, you're not just munching mindlessly while scrolling through your phone. You're fully present, noticing the crispness of the apple, the sweetness, the way it feels in your hand. Mindfulness also involves accepting your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's not about pushing away negative thoughts, but acknowledging them and letting them pass like clouds in the sky. Mindfulness is like a gym workout for your mind, building strength and resilience to stress. Now that we've got mindfulness down, let's talk about meditation. No, you don't need to be a monk on a mountaintop to do it. Let's dive into a few different techniques. First up is focused attention meditation. This is like a gym workout for your attention span. You focus on one thing, like your breath or a candle flame, and every time your mind wanders, you gently bring it back. It's like teaching a puppy to sit. The puppy wanders off, you bring it back, and over time, it learns to stay. Next, we have body scan or progressive relaxation. This is your personal body whisperer. You pay attention to different parts of your body, noticing where you hold tension and consciously relaxing those areas. It's like giving yourself a mental massage. Then there's loving kindness meditation. This one's the heart warmer. You send feelings of love and kindness to yourself, to loved ones, even to people you have difficulty with. Think of it as sending out mental Valentine's cards, spreading a bit of love and positivity in your internal world. Finally, breath awareness meditation. This one's the back to basics. You focus solely on your breath, the in and out, without judgment. It's like watching waves on a beach, coming in, going out, and you just observe without trying to change anything. These techniques can be powerful tools to manage and reduce stress. Think of your mind like a busy highway. There's a lot of traffic, thoughts, worries, to-do lists. Meditation helps you step back and watch the cars, your thoughts pass by without getting caught up in the traffic. It's not about stopping the cars or emptying the highway, but about finding a peaceful spot on the hill above, where you can observe without being overwhelmed. Remember, meditation isn't about emptying your mind or stopping your thoughts, it's about becoming an observer of your thoughts, creating a sense of calm and peace. So, why not give it a try? Your mind might thank you for it. So, why bother with all this breathing and observing? What's in it for you? Let's dive into the benefits of mindfulness and meditation. First up, stress reduction. By focusing on your breath and actively observing your thoughts, you can actually decrease the stress hormone cortisol in your body. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation. Next, improved focus and concentration. A study from Harvard University showed that just 8 weeks of regular mindfulness practice can increase the gray matter in the parts of your brain associated with learning and memory. Imagine that, becoming sharper just by sitting quietly. Then there's emotional well-being. Regular meditation can lead to a happier, more content you. It's like an internal tune-up for your emotions, helping you to better manage feelings of anxiety and depression. And let's not forget physical health. Studies have shown that mindfulness can lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and even boost your immune system. In a world that's always on, mindfulness and meditation give you the power to press pause. And who couldn't use a little more calm in their life?